Today, we will talk about Coolify and CapRover. The goal of both CapRover and Coolify is to simplify the development and administration of apps on your own servers. Coolify offers a modern and user-friendly interface. Coolify sets itself apart by emphasizing user privacy and control. It is intended to be a strong open-source substitute for systems such as Heroku and Vercel, giving developers the flexibility and autonomy they desire. Coolify aims to use Docker's efficiency and consistency while offering a broad range of development options to meet various application and service requirements. At its core, Coolify gives customers the ability to regain control over their digital lives by promoting a robust and intuitive self-hosting experience. CupRover is excellent at making self-hosting simple, putting user-friendliness first for people looking for a direct solution. It offers a reliable framework for container orchestration by utilizing Docker Swarm, and its one-click apps feature makes it easier to install well-known services. This well-established and dependable solution is a sensible and effective choice for installing apps in a self-hosted environment, since it gives users the ability to take charge of the infrastructure without needing extensive technical knowledge. All in all, both platforms empower users to self-host, but they cater to slightly different preferences. CapRover is a stable and reliable option, especially if you value simplicity and one-click apps. Coolify is a strong contender if you prioritize a modern user experience, strong open source values, and a broad range of deployment options.